woman, single and ready to mingle.
Bitch, do you know how motherfucking magical you are? Wait a minute. The fuck?
What is up, boss boos? What it do? Welcome back to my channel. Do you see the slay? Okay, girl. First of all, I am embracing me as a woman. I am embracing my singleness. I'm just embracing me being a boss ass bitch, okay? I have been through a lot in 2020. I have been through a lot in 2021 so far. Moving, just going through stress, and it's just been a lot in my life that has weighed on me and, you know, tried to take me out, tried to take me down. But I'm a boss boo, period. So I get up and I try to make the best of every situation. And one of my goals for myself this year, honestly, is to be cute. Like, that's a whole goal of mine. That's literally on the list, is to be cute. Get up, face my day, not sit in bed and let depression take me out, but to get up and get cute, okay? When you look good, girl, you feel good, okay? And that is just a fact. I feel like a boss right now. I feel real cute. You can't tell me shit right now. So I am carrying this new cute attitude throughout my life, throughout my new, you know, journey as a single woman, single and ready to mingle. You better quit playing with the team. You better quit playing. But no, for real. I'm just ready to carry this like new energy about myself. Y'all gonna see more of these videos for sure. Just get ready with me. Let's get cute. I'm not even going nowhere. I'm going to pick up my kids from daycare, but baby, yes, I sure do. I'll be at somebody's grocery store, okay? Looking snack. I do not care, honey. I'm getting cute and dressed up whenever I feel like it. Girl, if I just gotta go to CVS to get something real quick and I feel like being cute, you know what I'm saying? I feel like give me a couple numbers. That's what I'm gonna do. No, for real, all jokes aside, look good, feel good, girl. Let's get cute together in these videos. So go ahead and stay tuned, girl. If you want to see this whole little slay or whatever, go ahead and jump into it. I've been going through the struggle, looking like how I'm feeling, and I'm about to change that. Like, we about to get cute. So I'm about to start with this ponytail, y'all. I'm using this hair. It's old hair. I think this was from Kalai hair. I think. Yeah, I think it was. Yeah, I think so. Was it? This looks like Kalai hair. This from Kalai hair, and it's that yaki straight texture. So I'm just gonna do a super cute yaki natural ponytail, slick back to the back or whatever. And we about to get cute today, okay? Is you ready to get cute? If you sitting there watching and you feeling down, you feeling low, go get in the mirror, go get your comb, go get your brush, girl, get you something. We gonna get ready and get cute together, okay? So I just washed and conditioned my hair so it's nice and clean and blow dry and all of that good stuff. Now I would go through and straighten it, but girl, y'all know I be doing the 5-minute slays and ain't nobody got time to straighten out everything just to put it in a ponytail. Like, it's definitely gonna be easier because I am relaxed. I'm just gonna lay this down, okay, as best as I can with some jam, okay, and with my edge control, and we're gonna make this work. No flat iron, but I am gonna use a pressing comb though, just to get it, like, you know, just to get it nice and sleek, especially because I need a touch up. So I'm gonna really focus in on my roots so I can get those, you know, nice and sleek. But I'm not going through using no flat iron. We ain't doing all that. It's time for our face, honey, while these edges are swooping and sitting. So I'm just gonna do a simple face, but I did want to show y'all a few new products that I'm gonna be using. I just wanted to show y'all this new foundation that I tried out. Y'all probably seen this all over Instagram. The MAKIAGE, and it's supposed to be like a perfect match. So we gonna see how this is looking. Okay. And I've just been seeing a bunch of like Instagram ads and stuff. Oh no, Lord, where's the? Just wet my beauty blender and we're gonna see how this is looking like. Okay. It's a little red, but it is a good match. Just a little red, which I guess will be good for the summertime because I get red in the summer with my tan or whatever. So I'm not complaining. That is honestly really good. It's actually really good. Okay, it's giving a little sign. That did a little something. That actually is a really good match. And this match is all from me taking a skin quiz. Like, that's crazy. That's really good. I'm a queen.
Lexi looks my length face with Halo, 2 hearts. FaceTime video.
What it do, Lexi Lou? Hey, girl. Ah, you so cute. Yeah, I'm doing my makeup, girl. Am I looking cute?
Yeah.
You on my vlog. I mean, not my vlog. You on my channel. Say what's up to my channel.
Hi.
What you doing? Yes, I should do lashes, y'all.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna do lashes just for y'all. Who is this? If all I want to know is who is this in my mirror? Who? I thought I did said something. I thought a little swoop-de-doop said something. I mean, what did you say? Like, I'm just trying to get your number. Can I take you out on a date? I mean, you're just looking too fine over there. Okay, for real. Let's get dressed. Because I can.